In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Constant Contact affiliate program. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Constant Contact affiliate program page. Make sure you are on the correct website before moving forward, since this is where you will find the official application and the most accurate program information. Taking a moment to confirm that you are on the right page can help you avoid confusion and make sure your application is submitted through the proper channel. Once you are on the affiliate program page, look for the button that says Join or Apply. Click that button to open the application form. This is the main form you will need to complete in order to request access to the program. The application is designed to give the affiliate team a clear idea of who you are, what kind of business or platform you have, and how you plan to promote Constant Contact. As you fill out the form, enter your personal details and business information carefully. You will also be asked to explain your promotional methods. Be clear and honest in this section. For example, you should describe the types of channels you use, such as a website, blog, content platform, or other approved marketing methods. Giving accurate information here is important because it helps the affiliate team evaluate whether your promotion style matches their brand guidelines. Before you submit the application, take time to read the affiliate agreement. This part is important because it outlines the rules, expectations, and terms of the program. After reviewing it, click to agree so you can continue with the application process. It is always a good idea to read these terms carefully so you understand what is allowed and what is expected from approved affiliates. After everything is completed, submit your application. Once it has been sent, the affiliate team will review it. During this review, they will check that your promotional approach aligns with their standards and brand requirements. This part of the process may take a little time, so be patient while they evaluate your submission. If your application is approved, you will receive login credentials for the affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you will typically access your affiliate links, track performance, and manage your account. Be sure to keep your login information secure and use the dashboard to stay organized as you begin promoting the program. That covers everything you need to know.